In an era dominated by the pursuit of bigger, faster, and stronger, a refreshing shift is taking place in the electric bicycle market. The spotlight is now on e-bikes that offer a more genuine, almost nostalgic cycling experience, coupled with a touch of electric assistance. Leading this evolving trend is 3TS's latest innovation, the Exploro RaceMax Boost X20, an e-bike that's generating excitement for prioritizing the joy of riding over raw motor power. Emerging from Torino, Italy's renowned cycling hub, 3TS's recent creation boasts a heritage and appearance excellence that's hard to ignore. Unveiled at Eurobike 2023 in a striking shade of orange, this lightweight gravel e-bike is more than just visually appealing. It has been meticulously engineered to replicate the sensation of riding a traditional bicycle, while still offering that extra push when needed. To achieve this harmonious blend, 3T has partnered with Mail and incorporated the X20 rear hub, a system that delivers a modest 250 watts and 55 Nm of torque, providing just enough assistance to make uphill climbs feel surprisingly effortless. Despite its compact battery, a Mail iX250 with a 236 watt-hour capacity, the Exploro RaceMax Boost X20 packs a surprising punch. It proves to be more than sufficient for most rides, catering to a wide range of cycling adventures. And for those ambitious enough to embark on extended journeys, a range extender can be seamlessly integrated into the bike's bottle cage, ensuring that your explorations know no bounds. While the initial price tag of $7,999 might prompt a second glance, it's crucial to recognize that this e-bike is far more than a mere mode of transportation, it's a declaration. It stands as an embodiment of the call to return to the roots of cycling, where skill and endurance take center stage alongside technological advancements. This sentiment is bolstered by the fact that the Exploro RaceMax Boost X20 has already garnered the prestigious RedDot Appearance Award, a testament to its ability to seamlessly marry appearance aesthetics with high-performance capabilities. Through the introduction of the Exploro RaceMax Boost X20, 3T has elegantly showcased the notion that sometimes, less truly is more. As e-bikes continue to carve their presence in both urban and off-road settings, 3TS's minimalist approach holds the potential to set a new benchmark in the industry. For those intrigued by the potential of this game-changing e-bike, detailed information in various configurations can be found on 3TS's official website. What do you think about the new bike? I will be interested to know your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.